story of our London life.
Hello! We are at home currently. We've just been watching some TV and now we're gonna get wedding planning, and then tonight we are going to Proms, which is on the list, which is like a classical music concert. So let's get wedding planning. Wedding planning is done and it is raining, and so now we're heading to Proms, which is on the list.
Mid-July and raining, and it's like, I wouldn't tell the difference if this was July or February. I can see my breath.
No, you can't.
I can, look.
No, you can.
Look.
Oh, is that our bus? Do we want to get that bus? We tried to get a bus, but the traffic is crazy. I don't know if you can see it behind me. So now we're walking. Some faster than others. Today and the rest I've been thinking.
I always thought when I was little this was pronounced Bulgari. Bulgari. This is Bulgari Hotel.
Bulgari.
Bulgari.
Today and the rest I've been looking at planning our wedding and thinking about who we're gonna invite. And actually, wedding planning's really hard. I didn't think it would be so hard. Well, that's the thing, you want to invite everyone, but like if you have to scale it back, it's so hard because you think, okay, I could invite only the people that I really want to be there, or invite everyone. And there's no in between.
There's costs involved, and there's where and when.
Basically, it's just hard. Update, it is now raining very heavily, and I don't think we're close yet. Are we?
We're
closer, but we're not there yet.
5 minutes away.
What is this weather?
But when the sun shines.
When the sun shines, London is amazing. I don't know if you can see it, but our bus just drove right past us.
Because somebody was too hot to stay on the bus.
Well, also because the bus was going so slow.
Christ.
Oh my god. Okay, so the rain's gotten worse. And our bus that we were on, that we got off because it was going so slow.
This is really
has just overtaken us.
What's the puddle?
Oh no.
We're almost there.
We're here! I almost got hit by a bike, but we are here, and she was in the wrong, not me. So we're gonna head into our door and then get this shindig started. I don't know.
The Royal Albert Hall, very nice theater slash venue for concerts and circuses and stuff. So we're gonna find our seats.
First half is done, and it's not really my cup of tea. What did you think overall?
I really enjoyed it. Of course I would. We heard Beethoven's 4th Symphony, and it really is beautiful to think how a man can just put up pieces of music for different instruments and they all come together so nicely. It was just great.
There was a woman literally sat behind us like this, sleeping.
I guess it's not for everybody.
And that's kind of how she was like my spirit animal in that moment. But overall, it was a good date night. Anyway, we're gonna end the video here. So if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!